start with a review of the Amazon Basics Clothes Drying Rack. I mean, what do you say about a drying rack? Other than I have had this for about 2 years and it still looks brand new. It is very lightweight. You simply unclip the top, and it folds all the way down, so it's easy to store and fits under a bed, in a closet, in your laundry room, and when you are ready to use it, you just bring it back out, snap it in place, and there you go. If you are looking for a affordable, easy to use, accordion style drying rack, I highly suggest this one, this Amazon Basics.